birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jonas. Happy birthday to you.
It's Jonas's birthday!
I don't know what's this all about.
Hat. Can we blow it out?
Are we all gonna have a cupcake?
Let's all watch first.
I'm ready.
Let's watch him go at it.
Yeah.
It's messy making time.
Oh boy, how's the floor?
Oh yeah, that's true.
Should we get
Ah, it'll clean up. Don't worry about it.
chocolate?
Jonas.
He doesn't know what he thinks of that. He wants to get that off his hand.
Put it in your
Yeah.
mouth.
Yummy, yummy. Wipe it on the chair.
Put it in your mouth. Try it.
Oh yeah.
Yum.
Oh
If
yeah.
I'd have known that, I wouldn't have wiped it off on the chair.
That is some good stuff.
Look at it.
Oh
Oh.
man.
Look at that.
Put it in your mouth.
But I'm getting a picture of
Yeah.
cameras.
Oh, yum.
Yay!
Look, he's saying all these cameras are pointed toward me.
Jonas, can you look over at Grandma?
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh,
Jonas?
Woo. You eat that up.
look at him. Oh, man.
Oh, such fun.
Yeah.
Put it
Oh.
in your mouth.
Eat it. Yum.
Look at the way this is just like scratch.
He says, well, this is sand. He said, you can't eat sand.
Put it in your mouth. Look.
It's like, guys, I'm full. Don't you know?
Ooh, yummy.
You can't decide if he likes it or not.
That's too funny.
He's just having fun like squishing it.
Ooh, fun, fun.
Whoa!
Yeah, yeah, there you go.
Whoa!
There he goes. He's eating it a little bit.
Jonas, is that good
Maybe
stuff?
we should give him another cupcake.
Another one?
Why?
Another one.
Why not, right?
You know why?
He made
'Cause
that
we
one
have
all
plenty.
smushed up. Jonas, you want another one?
He is going to enjoy that.
Oh, man.
I've learned how to do that. You
Get a
squish
big
it up,
bite.
then you put it in your mouth.
Get a big bite.
Oh, you like it?
He's just squishing it.
Yeah.
It's
It's
fun.
probably pretty fun.
Let's all try it.
Squish it. How do you put it in
Yeah.
It's all grubby.
Yeah. Yum, yum, yum.
Man, that is a lot of squishy
Yeah.
stuff.
Man.
I think I got plenty of them here.
Look at the way he just squishes it in there. Wow.